Good morning, students. I'm Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, and I'm your computer science teacher. Yesterday, I started a topic on types of business activities, where I told you about how to become an entrepreneur, what are the benefits of to become an entrepreneur. In today's topic, that is type of businesses. I ask you to go through it. I hope you have read the topic at least once. So, uh, what are the before you go through the type of businesses, you need to know what is business all about. Well, a business is a workflow of a type of activity where production is involved, where service is involved, where finance and sales are involved. So there are different stages of a business that you can start with. So how many types of business are there? Uh, in your book, there are four major type of businesses. One is services, the second one is merchandising, third one is manufacturing, and the fourth one is hybrid. So in service business, you do not have to create any product. You just have to serve. You just have to give services to the society, like saloon, like school, like um, sports academy. These type of businesses are under are do comes under services business, where you are only serving to the society. You are not creating anything. You are improving the quality or the standard of the society by offering your service, by offering your business ideas. Here, manufacturing part is not involved. Rather, the skill that you have is showing to the society by serving them. Next comes merchandising. Who's a merchandiser? Well, a merchandiser is a type of trader who took a goods from a wholesaler and then sell those goods to a retailer, or can resell those goods directly to the customer. So he acts as a trader. He's doing a trading business. So these type of services are known as merchandising, where you are not the owner of the business, but you are taking a a process product from one area. You are picking it up. You are doing a survey where to distribute those products. You are selling those products to a retailer who is directly approaching to the customer and selling his product to maximum retail price or MRP. And also a trader can be a reseller who who can restructure the selling price from a wholesaler product price. Like he is picking up the product in by a bulk order, and based on the requirement around his area, he is selling each and every um, product to the retailer or directly approaching to the customer. Third one is manufacturing business. As the word suggests, manufacturing, here a development or production is involved, where you take a raw product from a production unit, you process that product in your company, in your industry. Once that raw products converted to finished product, now it is ready to go to the market for selling. So all these types of products comes under manufacturing business. Few examples are giving over here, like cotton textile company uses raw cotton, and those cotton is converted to fabric, to different type of uh, rayon is also a material. So all those raw products are converted to finished product. Others, mobile parts, they are first manufacturing different type of motherboards. A body of the mobile parts are being manufactured, then they are assembled into a finished product, and they go to the market for selling. The last one is hybrid business. Now, the hybrid business is a combination of above mentioned product services of business, like service business, merchandising business, and manufacturing business. So, in these types are these type of business nowadays are coming in a broad form, like hotel industry, like um, spa industry, like restaurant. All these types comes under hybrid business, because they are offering services also, they are offering their skills also, they are preparing food stuff from the raw material that comes under manufacturing. Then they are offering different type of services, like they are serving cold drinks, they are serving distilled or packaged drinking water. So and hybrid business is a combination of manufacturing, it is a combination of service, it is a combination of merchandising. So I hope you got a brief idea of types of services now. Now tomorrow we would be dealing on types of business organization and community. Which type of business you can start with? Like in brief, I can say that there are four type of business: proprietary business, partnership business, corporate business, and cooperation business. So what are these? How you can start with? What are the benefits and disadvantage we will come across? So please go through it. Please read those topic once, and tomorrow I would be discussing all these type of business organization. So that is it for today. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.